Hi, I'm Luke Kruger from Utopia Clivias, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your Clivia seeds. What we need to protect your seeds is veggie net, and we just need to cut this into the right length. So first we have to cut it, and then we need to make a knot to close the end. Then we open the net and we go over all of the seeds. And we make 2 little knots at the bottom, however you like, just so the seeds will stay in there. And now your seeds are protected.
Hi, I'm Carrie, and the reason we're going to be protecting the seeds is when they start ripening. Some of them ripen a bit earlier than the others, and 1 or 2 might fall off in the meantime. So once they're in a little net like this, if they fall off, they get caught in there so you don't lose the seeds. When we harvest the seeds all stay together because we do certain pollinations, and it's important to keep those seeds together. It also protects them against rodents like rats and mice, monkeys if you have monkeys, and pets and little children and handy fingers. So that is why we do it. We normally do it when the seeds are fully developed, not colored up yet, but fully developed, so they won't swell much more. And we do it just before, I would say about 2 months before harvesting.